Ever wondered why apples and oranges can't be added together, but in the world of algebra they can? Welcome to the curious and fascinating world of algebra, where we break down mathematical barriers and make the impossible possible. Dive into the deep end with the basics. In algebra, we use letters to represent numbers that we don't know yet. These letters, often X, Y, or Z, are called variables. Think of them as placeholders or wildcards, waiting to be replaced with the right number. Suppose you have an equation, x plus 2 equals 5. Here, x is the variable, and to find its value, we need to do a little detective work. Subtract 2 from both sides of the equation, and voila, x equals 3. Simple, isn't it? Now let's level up a bit. Consider this equation. 3x 7 equals sine 2. To solve for x, first add 7 to both sides of the equation. That gives you 3x equals sine 9. Next, divide both sides by 3, and there you have it, x equals 3. But algebra is not just about solving for one variable. Sometimes we have more than one unknown, like in the equation 2x plus 3y equals sine 12. Here we have two variables, x and y. To solve such equations, we often need another equation involving the same variables. This is what we call a system of equations, and it's a topic for another day. Algebra also introduces us to expressions, which are combinations of numbers, variables, and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, 3x plus 2y, 7 is an algebraic expression. An important part of algebra is simplifying these expressions. If you have an expression like 5x plus 3x, you can combine like terms to simplify it to 8x. Equally intriguing is the concept of factoring, where we break down an expression into its simplest parts. For example, the expression 2x circumflex 2 plus 5x plus 3 can be factored into 2x plus 1, x plus 3. And finally, the heart of algebra lies in equations. Equations are mathematical statements where two expressions are equal, like 2x plus 3 equals sine 5. They are the puzzles that we solve to find the value of the variables. To summarize, algebra is a branch of mathematics where we use letters to represent unknown numbers. We learned about variables, equations, expressions, simplification, and factoring. We learned how to solve simple equations and got a glimpse of systems of equations. Remember, algebra is not a monster to be feared, but a tool to unlock the mysteries of the universe. So, next time you see an X or a Y, don't panic. Just remember, it's all part of the grand puzzle that is algebra. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll be an algebra whiz in no time.